What happened?
I lost my ring.
What happened?
I lost my ring.
How to go?
Go by bus.
How to go?
Go by bus.
What is that?
That is a cat.
What is that?
That is a cat.
What time is it?
It's 12 noon.
What time is it?
It's 12 noon.
Where are we?
We are in park.
Where are we?
We are in park.
What did he say?
He asked for money.
What did... Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
Which language do you speak?
I speak English.
Which language do you speak?
I speak English.
Who drew?
My sister drew.
Who drew?
My sister drew.
Who is better?
The gold one.
Who is better?
The gold one.
How is business?
Quite good.
How is business?
Quite good.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon.
Where are you?
At home.
Where are you?
At home.
What is it?
It's a table.
What is it?
It's a table.
Who won?
My friend won.
Who won?
My friend won.
How much did it cost?
It cost $10.
How much did it cost?
It cost $10.
Who is that?
He is a pilot.
Who is that?
He is a pilot.
What are those?
Those are watches.
What are those?
Those are watches.
Who are they?
They are friends.
Who are they?
They are friends.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
What is that?
It is a tree.
What is that?
It is a tree.
What is this?
It is a cup.
What is this?
It is a cup.
What is this?
It is a car.
What is this?
It is a car.
What is this?
It is a smartphone.
What is this?
It is a smartphone.
Who are they?
They are siblings.
Who are they?
They are siblings.
What is that?
It is a puppy.
What is that?
It is a puppy.
Who are they?
They are doctors.
Who are they?
They are doctors.
What is that?
It is a bag.
What is that?
It is a bag.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
Can you bake cookies?
Yes, I can bake cookies.
What do you do?
I'm an actor.
What do you do?
I'm an actor.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
Where does it hurt?
It hurts here.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
Are you happy?
No, I am not happy.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
What are you doing?
I am cleaning my room.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
Do you know him?
Yes, she is my grandmother.
Do you know him?